Hey guys, this is Enthos, and first thing you'll want to do to get your animation into Max, export the fighter file as an MDLO and also as a DAE. Open the motion etc. I think I already have it open. Find the animation you want in Max, export it as a .anim, not CHRO. Select the MDLO when it asks, and then go into Blender, import. We're going to be using Guilty Ghosts model import script. Find the folder, import the DAE, file import, import the .anim, find the folder, import the .anim, and that's good. File, export, FBX, find the folder again. I don't think you need to change anything in here, so export. Now go to Max, file, import. Go to your folder, import the FBX, and the only thing you want to make sure is that the scale factor is 1.0, so centimeters. Okay. Now when you have that in, you're going to expand this, double tap armature to select its children, delete just this top bone, so top end is still there. Double tap top end, select the whole armature, save animation, and name it whatever. Reset. Now import a fresh DAE, that's from Brawl. Make sure it's centimeters again. Okay. Now double tap top end, press the set key button. Gonna move to frame 1, animation, load animation, select it, make sure it's inserted at frame 1, load motion, and there you go. It's gonna stop for a while, so if you just want it to loop seamlessly, find the last frame, which seems to be 64. Make the end time 64, and make sure the playback speed is 2 times, because you want it to be you just want it to be 2 times. Now, at the start of the animation, it's always going to be a T-pose. We did that on purpose, so that we can always just go back. But if you do want to preview it without any T-posing, just set the start frame to 1, and now when you press play, it'll loop, and you can preview it. The good thing about this, and I'm going to set this back to 0, is that you can make rig changes in real time. So, say I wanted to change this vert's weights. It's rigged to hip N at 0.47 influence, and you can see all the changes you make in real time. So if there's something that's bugging you, but you don't want to keep going back and forth between Brawl Crate and Max, or Max and in-game, then you can just do this in real time, and it's great. Yeah, as an example, if you had like a bad vert and you didn't want to find it yourself, you can load it in game, or load it in Max, select the vert, figure out what the heck is wrong with it, maybe copy another vert next to it, paste it, and yeah. So if you do want to export from this, all you have to do is go back to frame 0, select everything, file, export, and name it whatever. All you have to do is make sure animation is unchecked, and obviously that the units are inches, so scale factor 1. Press OK, and now it's good to re-import back into Brawl Crate.